how to be a self-confident person when you are starting your career as a sales person. So in this video, I am going to share with you the first philosophy, what this self-confidence is all about. Then I will give you 3 reasons why people don't have self-confidence. Then I will give you 5 hacks, 5 tactics, the 5 things you need to do so you can have massive self-confidence even at the beginning of your sales career. Let's suppose आप भी कॉलेज में या आपने जस्ट अभी अपना करियर स्टार्ट किया है to sell real estate, to sell financial products, to join network marketing, or to take your parent business, right? So be with me. We are going to have a great time. Thanks for being here. So the first, understand the myth about self-confidence. A lot of people think self-confident people are born. That's not true. The science has dismissed this philosophy. Self-confident people are not born, they are self-made, self-developed. There's a science coming over here, the one word called grit. There's a book by Maya Angelou, sorry, not Maya Angelou, Angela Duckworth. Okay, just go and read the book Grit. You will understand what it takes to be a self-confident person, what it takes to develop self-confidence. Okay, so the science coming here. Do not buy the philosophy you are born with self-confidence. You develop self-confidence just like develop your muscle. Is it clear to you? So do not live in this myth. Okay, it's develop quality. Is it clear to you now? Now, second point, understand 3 reasons why people don't have self-confidence. सबसे जो पहला कारण जो killer reason है that people compare themselves from other people. You know what? People compare how they look, their height, their car, their degree, their color. People compare their spouse also, the knowledge of their spouse. People compare like how they speak. And here's the problem. The more you compare yourself from other people, the less you will have the power. Because every single time you are comparing yourself from other person, you are losing your power. You understand that? You are losing. You know why? Because you know why we compare? Because when we are not really confident from inside about us. And here is the problem. You always compare your worst with the other person's best. If you don't have good health, you always compare your health with the person who already have good health. So what do you feel? Oh, I'm like this. I'm like this. I'm inferior. Because comparison gives you on the inferior syndrome. And the more you go to inferiority complex, the less self-confidence you have. Got it? So do not go into the game of comparing from other people. Do one thing. Just compare yourself yesterday and today. That's it. Stop comparing from other people. Because otherwise you lose, you will start losing yourself. And ये बहुत होता है खासकर जो लोग अपना start करते हैं career. Okay? Second point, why you people don't have self-confidence. We people have unrealistic expectation. Unrealistic expectation. They want to become world champion boxer in 1 month. They want to be Virat Kohli in 1 year. They want to be top salesperson in 1 month. They want to make 10 lakh rupees on a 1 month. They want to get a job of 5 lakh rupees from day one. Or they want to start a company and they want to take to the public offer the 1 year. They want to become great on just very less period of time. That doesn't work. Again, the science coming over here. There is a philosophy called 10,000 hour practice. It takes 5 to 7 years dedicatedly action and practice and deliberate effort for that to become something world class on what you do. Okay, so you need to have you need to have realistic expectations. Do not buy the philosophy because you know we live in a society where you read a book, oh, that's great body. Just build your body within 2 months. Lose your weight 10 kg without what? Lose your weight 10 kg without any kind of dieting. You understand that? We get this kind of mass and we buy these kind of programs. You know, people say grow your sales to 5 times in next 2 months. I don't know how it's possible. And these are unrealistic expectations. And you know, ये कहाँ से आती हैं? हमारे अंदर से आती हैं. Because we believe हमें अंदर से पता होता है कि हम गलती करने जा रहे हैं, बट फिर भी करते हैं बिकॉज हमें ये जो एक्सटर्नल एनवायरनमेंट है वो प्रेशर क्रिएट करता है, पीयर प्रेशर, सोसाइटी प्रेशर, मीडिया प्रेशर, फैमिली प्रेशर, रिलेटिव प्रेशर, अंडरस्टैंड दैट. So do not buy it. Have realistic expectation and be aware that it takes time to become great and world class on something. Okay. Second reason why people don't have self confidence, and the third reason that they have the perfect mindset. Perfectionism is a disease. That's the problem. They wait for the perfect time to start. You know what? I want to learn this. मुझे ये स्किल सीखनी है, लेकिन अभी राइट टाइम नहीं है. मुझे क्लोजिंग सीखनी है, लेकिन अभी मैं बहुत बिजी हूं. मुझे सीखना है हाउ टू स्पीक इन फ्रंट ऑफ कैमरा, लेकिन दिस इज नॉट राइट टाइम. या मुझे किताब लिखनी है, लेकिन दिस इज नॉट राइट टाइम. मुझे अपनी एक्सरसाइज शुरू करना है, लेकिन दिस इज नॉट राइट टाइम. मुझे पैसे बचाने शुरू करना है, बट दिस इज नॉट राइट टाइम. सो टेल मी यार, व्हाट इज द राइट टाइम? There's no perfect time, there's no right time. Every single time is the right time if you are willing to do it. That's it. So there are three reasons why people don't have self-confidence. The first reason, what the first reason is that they always compare themselves with other people. Second reason, they want to be world class in day one, unrealistic expectation. And third reason, that they wait for the perfect time. Now come to the point where how do you have the self-confidence? I hope guys you are enjoying. The energy is high. I give with energy, right? So the first reason, the first way, the first tactics to be self-confident person. It's not tactic, it's a philosophy. That is, build your business, build your career, build your profession around your passion. I'm repeating, it's very powerful line. Build your profession around your passion. Build your career around your passion. Build your life around your passion. If you find something which you really believe and you like it, let's say you are a financial planner. Do you like the financial planning? Do you like about the money? Do you like about talking about the financial market? If not, choose something else. You don't have to be join this financial planning industry in the pressure of somebody else or in a real estate, whatever. You have to have some kind of liking and passion on that domain so that you can learn about it. There's one book called Ikigai. There's a book called Ikigai. Just read, you will understand what I'm talking about here. So find something you truly believe and authentic, and you know that whatever you're going to offer to the marketplace is good for people. You know what? हमें अंदर से क्यों नहीं आता सेल्फ कॉन्फिडेंस? बिकॉज़ हमें पता होता है कि जो मार्केट में मैं सजेस्ट कर रहा हूँ या कर रही जो सेल कर रहा हूँ वो ठीक नहीं है, उसमें डाउट है, उसमें गड़बड़ी है. That's the problem. So बाहर कुछ और है, अंदर कुछ और है. So there's a fight between you. You know, बहुत अच्छा है. You are saying to the market, very good. पर अंदर आपको यार पता नहीं कैसा है, doubt. So if you find something you truly believe, like and love, just get into it. This is a good for you, and you have massive amount of self-confidence. It will take time, but you will have it. Second thing, follow principle OQP philosophy. Only quality people. That's it. Only quality people. The people who encourage you, the people who uplift you, the people who charge you, and the people who have the same goal, aspiration, dreams, and they are looking forward in the life. A lot of people are looking backward in the life. They are not looking forward, they are looking backward. Or they are too much realistic. You need some people, you need some good people who can hold you, uplift you, inspire you, and can show the path that you deserve, and you can become what you want to become. So they are not biter, they are not like the encourager, they are not like pulling your leg. And this world is filled with these kind of people. Maybe somebody in your circle, you don't know who they are. Sometimes these people are silent killer. Be very careful. So what to do? I'm just telling you, I run a sales ka Sikandar super community where there are a lot of people from financial planning, real estate, and the people who want to become big in the sales, they are part of it. Okay. So I will tell you at the end of the video how it works. Now come to the third part. How to have self-confidence. Do not ignore small thing which can make a big difference. What do I mean by that? You know, self confidence comes by what you do, not what you say. Self confidence comes by what you do, it comes by the action. So do not ignore the thing which you need to do, you should do, you must do, you could do. So what? You know you should do 15-minute exercise, do it. You know you should read 15 minutes about a good book, read it. You know you should spend 1 hour to read about your business and profession and market, read it. You know you should eat healthy food one day, do it. If you ignore these things, you will never have self-confidence. I'm telling you. Just follow these small things, and then you see how do you build your self-confidence. Because these small things build your self-esteem, and self-esteem and self-confidence are brother and sister. Like your health is your best friend. If you have health, you will have self-confidence. And how can you have health? When you are eating right food and you're doing exercise. Okay, fourth point. Decide you are going to be big in your game. Decide you are going to be somebody in your game. That you are going to be somebody. And take a strong decision. I will tell you a story of our great monk Tulsi Das Ji. Tulsi Das Ji was in so much of love and affection with his wife that एक बार उनकी पत्नी मायके चली गई और वो उनको इतनी ज्यादा उनसे टेम्पटेशन हुई अपनी पत्नी से मिलने के लिए, तो उनका उनका मायका उनके घर से करीबन 3 से 4 किलोमीटर दूर था और बीच में एक नदी पड़ती जो पार करनी पड़ती थी और रात को इतनी तेज बारिश और अंधेरा था, लेकिन तुलसीदास जी इतनी ज्यादा उस अपनी वाइफ से अटैच थे तो घर छोड़ के उनसे मिलने चले गए और नदी पार करी। एक वहां पे जो जिसमें जो डेड बॉडी को जिसमें फाइनल फ्यूनरल होती है उससे उन्होंने नदी पार करी। जब पहुंचे वहां पे तो सीधे उनके रूम में चले गए और देखा कि रस्सी लटकी है और रस्सी पकड़ के छत पे गए और दरवाजा खड़ाया, कौन कौन कौन। उनकी वाइफ ने अरे आप सरप्राइज, तो बोला आप ऊपर कैसे आए? बोले आपने रस्सी लटकाई थी। वो रस्सी का देखा तो वहां पे सांप जा रहा था, इतनी ज्यादा टेम्पटेशन थी। तो उनकी पत्नी ने कहा इतनी ज्यादा आपको मेरे से अटैचमेंट है, अगर थोड़ा सा दिमाग में भगवान में लगा लोगे तो शायद आपको उद्धार हो जाएगा। और ये बात ऐसी लगी उनकी, ऐसी लगी ये बात उनको कि वहीं से ही वापस उन्हीं समय वापस पैर मोड़ लिया और डिसीजन लिया कि अब मैं कुछ बनूंगा और चले गए काशी, बनारस, वाराणसी जिसको बोलते हैं, एंड ही बिकेम द ग्रेट मॉन्क। हमें साधु नहीं बनना, एग्जांपल दे रहा हूं कि डिसीजन की पावर क्या होती है। एक बार डिसीजन लो दैट यू आर गोइंग टू बी somebody in your game, and then start working for that and decide you will do whatever it will take. You will do whatever it will take. आप वो सब करोगे जो करना पड़ेगा in order to become something in your game and life. That's it, which is right and ethical. Do not sell yourself. Do not sell your soul. Do not compromise on the right values and ethics. I'm telling you, it is more important how do you achieve your big goals rather than what you achieve. How means the process, the way, the mean, what kind of person you are becoming, that is more important. If you lose yourself, you lose everything. There are too much of pressure outside in the world. You have to pass that test. Got it? And the fifth point, how do you develop self-confidence? Be obsessed to learn. Be obsessed to develop something. Be obsessed to find what you need to learn and learn like anything. Obsessed. Like crazy. Steve Jobs said, the people who think they can change the world are the one who change, and the crazy people can change the world. You don't have to change the world. You have to change your financial future, your life. For that, you have to become crazy. You have to become obsessed, and you have to become different from the 97% people out in the world. With due respect, no judgment, only reporting. I'm delivering the content with energy because I know this video is going to be game changer for you. So let me recap. The first, I give the philosophy. Self-confidence, you don't born, you develop. It's a muscle science. Then I give you the 3 reasons why you don't have self-confidence. Then I tell you the 5 tactics how do you self-confidence. Now if you find this video useful, do one thing, subscribe this channel and comment me इसमें से कौन सी स्किल जो है वो आप उस पे काम करने वाले हैं. Just give me the comment. And if you are serious to take your self-confidence, to take your sales to the next level, then I have prepared a training video for you. Just click on the link and you will be part of that. And if you want to be part of my Facebook VIP private group where I nurture people. So free of cost. Click on the link and you can be part of that. Thank you very much. Remember that self-confident people are not born; they are self-made. Do it. Thank you very much. All the best. God bless you.